So, did you bring your tithes and your offerings today?
I sure
All right?
did.
We're ready to get... What do you guys do? No, it's not. It's not tithes. Yeah, thank you. So, I didn't say tithes, did I? Okay, no, it's not tithes, it's tithes. See, right up here on the screen, you probably didn't see it, and you probably can't read it, but it's T-I-T-H-E-S, that's tithes. So we give tithes to the Lord. Not tithes, tithe. A tithe is when like God blesses you, and then you take 10% and you give it back to the Lord. So we give our tithes, that's 10% is tithes, and then above beyond that is offerings. Offerings, see? So we give tithes and we give offerings to the Lord. So, okay, thanks. Hold on, what? No, it's...
This is a nice offering.
Now, when we say offerings, it doesn't mean take your rings off. That's not the kind of rings we're talking about.
You said offering.
I know it's an offering. It's not that kind of rings, okay? It's not that kind of okay. I see you got, yes, I know you got rings. Those are some of my magic rings. Stop taking my stuff. Okay. It's not that kind of ring here. Take this stuff out. It's time for tithes and all. Go back there. Okay? That's not what I was asking him to do. Tithes and offerings. Oh, okay, I tell you what, I'll need a couple people to help me this morning receive the tithes and offerings right here.